A very good afternoon to all of you. So hopefully you all are in the best of health. So in today's topic we are going to discuss the state space analysis of continuous systems. So before starting this topic, I would like to shed a very important information that this topic, that is the state space topic, basically this topic belongs to the domain of control system. To be very frank, it is a part of control systems. Yes, control systems, basically in control system we will deal with state space analysis. Okay, but now as we are here, so we have to understand how the state space variable works. Okay, so let's start with the first part, that what are states. Yes, what are states and why we are modeling an LTI system into a state space. Yes, why we require a model. Are you getting it? So let's start with, basically state is, you can say, an intermediate position or an intermediate mark, okay, space between the output and the input. Yes, suppose for example that from reaching, for example take the case of from reaching to Delhi to Alwar, from Indirapuram to Alwar. If I am coming, then I can come directly by intersecting Delhi. Okay, the second mode is that I will have to go to Noida. From Noida I will cover the Noida Delhi border, then I will enter Haryana, and from Haryana I have to go to the Manesar road, okay, highway. Third way is again that I can bypass Delhi. I can simply go to Noida. I can take the western peripheral, and by the peripheral I can again reach the Alwar road, and there I will move towards Alwar. So one thing that will come straight to our mind is that there are various intermediate steps, intermediate ways through which we can reach Alwar from Indirapuram. But certain steps are very important. For example, the Manesar road is the most important. Yes, the Manesar region is the most important aspect. We have to cross Manesar anyhow. Yes, that is a fact. We have to cross Manesar. So Manesar is that one state, you can say, the state space analysis. If we are going to perform the state space analysis of the route from Indirapuram to Alwar, then Manesar is that one state that is very, very important. We cannot overcome that state. Okay, other states can be Noida Delhi border, the crossover point. Okay, and western peripheral can also be a state. But out of these various states, certain states can be truncated. Yes, it means we can leave certain states. Okay, certain states are very important so that those states will directly connect us with Alwar. For example, the road, the Manesar road, that is most important. That will directly connect to Alwar. Okay, so this is very, very important. This is of very much importance, that we cannot truncate that Manesar Alwar road. We have to ride through that road if we want to reach. So we can say that path, that Manesar Alwar road path, is the most important state, and that will control the output. Okay, Are you getting it? What the states are? States are a bridge, intermediate bridge, that will connect our output with the input, obviously of a linear time system. Now have a look at this. X dot equals to ax plus bu and y dot equals to cx plus du in this part. Now you can very well see that here in this part, the first and second equation are known as state equation and output equation. X dot will be state, and that is related to the input x. X is the input, x is the states and u is the input. Y is basically the output, u is the input, and x is again the state matrix. Okay. Now have a look at this. It is written here that x and x dot are the state vector and differential state vector respectively. Okay, so x is the state vector and x dot will be the differential state vector. Okay. A is the system matrix. A is the matrix that will govern our system. And B and C are the input and output matrices. B and C, obviously these are the input and output matrices. I think we are quite clear till this point. Now, basic concepts of space. State. As I has already defined you that what state is that. Typical bookish definition is what is written here. That it is basically a group of variables. For example, the group of paths for coming to Alvar. So it is a group of variable that will summarize the history of the system. That is, various people will move from Indirapuram to Alvar, okay, via different routes, and then they will, if I am a future tourist, if I am coming to Alvar, then he will tell me, sir, you can follow this path. That's it. That is all it is dealing with. That is what state is. Okay, that it will predict the future values, the outputs. Coming up back to state variable. Okay, how many storage elements are there? Okay, for example, if we consider a simple RLC circuit, then obviously voltage across capacitor will be a storage element. Current through the inductor will be a storage element. Yes, everything can be modeled. Just consider the equation of a simple RLC circuit, series RLC. It is S square plus R by Ls plus 1 by Lc. And whereas for a parallel RLC circuit, it is S square plus 1 upon RCS plus 1 upon Lc. So it is very important. You can easily observe that some items are basically nothing but the storage elements and some are simply consuming power. So state variable can be something that can control the output, that will have an influence on the output. In resistor, the power is only dissipated, whereas in the case of inductor and capacitor, it will store energy. So it will have an impact on the voltage, okay, and inductor will have an impact on the current. Are you getting it? It's very, very important. So this is how it will be controlled. This is how it will be devised. So these are the state variables. A resistor cannot be a state variable. Okay, I think I am quite clear with this aspect. Okay. After that, the state vector. Obviously, a vector comprising of state variables, as the element is a state vector. It means the basic elements will be the state variables. Okay. So one thing before moving further, I would like to shed an impact that these all components combined together will help us in the formation of mathematical modeling of the system. The mathematical modeling of the system cannot be formed so easily. Yes, these will help in the development of a better mathematical model. Are you getting it? I think now I am clear. Okay. And a mathematical model can be a differential equation model or a transformation model. Both models are possible. We can model. I will come into detail of how differential equation modeling is done. But again, I will like to revise one thing, that x dot equals to ax plus bu and why dot equals to cx plus du. More upon this on the next lecture. Thank you. Have a good day.